Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. My name is Ifeoma. On this channel, I do hairstyles for kids and I also do beauty DIYs. So please take some seconds and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't done so you can join the family, okay? So in today's video, we are going to be making home remedy that can help you fade away stretch marks and also give you glowing skin. That's what we are going to be making today. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Let's get right into the video. So the first thing we'll do here is to get a clean plate. Then we'll go ahead and add this basic ingredient into the plate. This is Blue Seal Vaseline and it's the basic thing we need for this stretch mark remedy. I'll go ahead and take about 2 teaspoons of Vaseline and I'll add it into the plate. Guys, using Vaseline to massage the places you have stretch mark can actually help to promote new tissue growth and break down the bands of collagen that form in the underlying tissue, leading to stretch mark. Yes, it can really help, okay? So after adding the 2 teaspoons of Vaseline into the plate, I will use my spoon to kind of turn it to make sure that there is no form of lumps in it. So the next thing we are going to be adding is ginger. I will use my grater to grate in some amount of ginger into the Vaseline. So guys, ginger has antioxidant and detoning properties that keep your skin glowing and hydrated. It reduces pigmentations and blemishes. So that's why I decided to add ginger to it. You can as well use powdered ginger. So after grating in the amount of ginger I'll be needing, I'll go ahead and add turmeric. So after that, I'll go ahead and mix it for everything to combine very well. You have to mix it very well, okay? So after mixing it now, I'll go ahead and add another ingredient, which is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar's antioxidant properties are believed to help prevent stretch mark and inflammatory conditions like pregnancy can create. Yes, you can. That's why I decided to add apple cider vinegar to this treatment, okay guys? Like I said, this treatment is very good. It's very good, guys. At least it can help to fade away stretch mark that it won't be so obvious. So the next one we are going to add here is vitamin E. I will add some drops of vitamin E. Then after that, we'll go ahead and mix it very well for it to combine very well. So this is it, guys. This is how you use it. You take a small portion of it and apply on the places you have stretch marks, okay? Then you rub it in a circular motion. That's how you rub it in a circular motion, and then after one hour or 45 minutes you wash it off. At times you don't even need to wash it off, you can even sleep with it. Do this for 2 weeks and you will see your stretch marks fading away. Yes guys, so I'll go ahead and add the remaining one into this small container. This is how I preserve it. I'll add it in this container, then I'll cover it and put it in my fridge. So anytime I want to use it, I will bring it out, apply it on the places I have stretch mark. Then after 45 minutes, I will clean it off. Sometimes I do sleep with it, okay guys? So this is it, guys. This will last for you for about 2 weeks, and after 2 weeks you have to throw it away, okay, and prep another one, guys. So that's it for today. This is how you prep your stretch mark remedy. So that is it for today, guys. That's how you make your DIY stretch mark remedy, okay? So that is it. And for this remedy to work for you, you have to use it every day for 3 weeks. Then you will start to notice results, okay? And let me be honest with you guys, if anybody tell you to come and buy this cream or buy this thing that it will get, as in it will clear your stretch marks completely, is a lie, my brother, my sister, is a lie. The only way you can get rid of stretch marks completely is by undergoing a cosmetic procedure. That's the only way you can clear your stretch marks completely, okay? What this home remedy does is that they will fade away the stretch marks, that it won't be obvious that you had stretch marks. That's what they do, okay? And for you to achieve that, you have to be consistent with it. You have to be applying it every day. Do it for 2 weeks or 3 weeks, then you'll start to notice changes. Yes, that's how it works. It's not a magic. You have to be consistent with it. You have to apply it every time, okay? So guys, that is it for today. If you like this video, just please don't fail to give me a thumbs up, comment, and share this video. All right, I will see you all in my next one. I love you all. Bye.